In this video, you are going to learn how you can back your WhatsApp messages up so that you can restore them whenever something happens to your WhatsApp, or whenever you misplace your phone, or anything that happens. It will continue from where you stop. It will not start afresh. That's why it's very important. You have to be backing your messages up. Backing up your messages is very important, especially maybe if you have important chats with clients or with potential people that you don't want to lose messages. It will also help you keep evidences of chats you have with people. So in order not for you not to lose them, you have to back it up with your Gmail account. So watch this video to the end so that I will show you how you can do that. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Ekowori the Creator. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can receive notification whenever I upload a new video. Alright, let me take you to my phone screen now. So the first thing that you are going to do is open your WhatsApp app. When you open the app, click on these three dots at the edge. Click on it, then go to the downside, click on settings. Open settings, then you will see where it says chats. Click on chats here, this chat here. Click on chats. When you click on chats, go down and you will see where it says chat backup. You click on chat backup. When it opens, you are going to see where it says backup. Here is it, here, backup. So but before it will do that, you have to put your email account. So you have to put your email account. So when it opens, you will see where it says backup. So that is where you are going to click and it will back your messages up. But the thing is that you have to have data, or you can connect to Wi-Fi. So if you look down, you will see an option where it says backup using a cellular. It means that if you turn it on, it's going to back up with your data. When you look at the option at the front of it, you will see where it says frequency. That's, if you click on frequency, it simply means how do you want the chat to be backed up. Do you want to be backing your chat up daily? Do you want to be backing it up every week, or do you want to be backing it up monthly? So let me explain it. If you want WhatsApp to be backing your messages up automatically every week, you click on where it says weekly. If you want it to be backing it up monthly, you click on where it says monthly. By this way, you are no more coming here to be backing it up by yourself. It will be automatically be backing it up for you. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share.